Hello students, as you are observing in this video I am going to discuss about histogram. What is histogram? Histogram is another type of representation of data graphically, but it is little bit different than your bar graphs. Histogram is also a rectangular graph, but unlike from the your bar graph, histogram always must be vertical, and there is no gap between two histograms. Means what? If data or classes are continuous, then only we can use histogram to represent those type of data. In this case, as usual, we first plot the variable, plot the data, plot the fixed physical quantity on x-axis and about that frequency on y-axis. So let's discuss by taking some example. I am taking one question from this book. In this, it is given that some sizes are given. Okay, I am taking question number 3 of this book. So class interval is given. Class interval is given to you. And frequency of that class interval is given. Clear? Now what is the class interval? Let me draw a table. In this given data, some class intervals are given, and you can see these are continuous, means 0 to 5. Now it's a 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. The range, or you can say class interval, class size is of same. It's a 5, 5, 5, 5. Now frequencies are here, they are varied. So how we represent this data? By using graph. So for this we can use only your histogram. Okay. Now first we see how many points are there. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So we have to plot the classes on x-axis. How we plot the classes on x-axis? If it's starting from 0, because we know this is 0, then we can start from the equal width. Suppose this is 5, 10, 15, we have to 5 plots now. 5, 10, 15, 20, the last one is your 25. It's a 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the some fixed point. Now we will plot the frequencies. If you see, except this, all are of interval of 5. So we can choose the equal uniform width also over here, uniform marking. It's a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. It's clear? Now, first it is given that it's a class interval for 0 to 5, means this interval 0 to 5, frequency is 10. So we reach up to 10. We start from this. This is the histogram for the first one. Now for the 5 to 10, means for this width 5 to 10, this is a class, na? 5 to 10, first class 0 to 5, second class it's a 5 to 10, third class 10 to 15 and so on. So for 5 to 10 it's a 25, means we plot from here, but it should continue from 5, so we raise this one from here and this is for 0 to 5 and 5 to 10. Now next one is your 10 to 15. It's 9. Where we represent 9 because it's not given. So as we know, we have to divide this into 5 equal part. So this must be over here. This is your 10 to 15. Now 15 to 20, it's a 20. This is for 20, and next one is a 20 to 25, it's a 5. Now erase some extra dotted lines so that you can easily understand. These dotted line must be erased because this is not a part of histogram, this is only for your purpose. Now this is your histogram. Now, and also we have to erase, no, not erased. These are the histogram. This is for the first class interval 0 to 5, second, third, fourth and fifth. So you can see easily that how we represent that continuous grouped class or continuous class interval in the form of graph. Remember that if class intervals are continuous, we can only use histogram, not the bar graphs. So hope you are able to understand this concept. If this data is not continuous, then suppose class interval 5 to 10 is only given. Now 5 to 10 is only given. So for this you have to leave the space likewise, or you can use this type of line, which means data starting from this part, this is not the portion of the histogram. Otherwise you can use the class interval properly. Hope you are able to understand this concept. In next video we are going to discuss about pie charts. That's all for today. Thank you.